Weche matimore alwora counties makalwe county ma Migori en ni jotelo mopogore opogore koro kwayo ji duto onywak lwedo e kedo kod Keny kanyakla kod iye Mohiw e kind nyithindo Manyiri e pacho kaendi mangima. Koloso e gwego mag God Kweru e county ma Migori, Regional Commissioner Manyanza Migosi Magu Mutendika ojiwo jonyuol kod jogweng' mondo nyis nyithindo Manyiri ber mar somo. Kor ka kore jaod burano ero Masuna West Migosi Peter Masara ojiwo jopuonj kanyakla kod jonyuol bende onywak lwedo kata giriwre kanyakla e kedo kod keny momondo e kind nyithindo matindo Manyiri. Ka ojiwo jonyuol bende mondo orit nyithindo matindo ma eka notimo penj magoeko mag KCPE mondo ginene nyithindo goeko obi odhi nyime kod somo kata skunde goeko mag sekondar.
Mtihani wa darasa la 8. Watoto wengi wamefanya vizuri, lakini ikifika ile inaitwa transition class 8 form 1, tunataka kuhakikisha watoto wetu wote wale wamefanya mtihani, hata kama mtu wako na mimba sio ugonjwa. Si mtu atazaa akizaa siarudi shule ama namna gani? Kuwa na mimba zia wale ambao maybe kama umri iko juu, kama unaona haya kwenda form 1, we have got the vocational training center. Si kweli? Sile polytechnic, watoto wetu waende kule, waende wapate nini? Wapate akili ya kufanya mambo yao.
Tumeambiwa lazima watoto wetu wasome, sivyo? Sisi tuko karibu kuondoka. Na tukiondoka lazima tuache watoto wetu ndio waweze kuchukua nafasi zetu, sivyo? Kwa hivyo muhakikishe masomo ya watoto iko sawa, sivyo? Alafu mumeambiwa huko na uchumi mwingi. Hiyo Masara nimeajua, naijua na ielewa vizuri. Iko na rasilimali mingi, sivyo? Tutunze hiyo na tuweze kuhakikisha ya kwamba ile mali tumepata hapo tumeitumia kusomesha watoto wetu.
Masara area there's a lot of gold mining activities. Therefore, the most vulnerable side of the human being are girls. They are being lured with money, and we get so many early marriages in this region. The only solution to such a problem was to start a girls' secondary school, and more so to be a boarding girls' secondary school, where they can be taught, they can be guided, they can be modeled, so that they can become future leaders of this Republic of Kenya. I'll not forget that at Masara is where we have 24-hour economy before COVID-19. Because people work during the day and during the night, they enjoy their sweat.